Don't be watching this crap. What are you doing watching me? Why don't you get out in your own shop and do your own work? Yeah, I'm drilling some more holes for my quick connect, but really, why are you wasting your time on the internet watching this garbage? Just go out, get some work done, be brave, get some work done. You can do it. There's something that needs to get done, just get it done. Oh, what? You're still watching this? Jiminy Christmas, go do something. Yeah, you're still here. That's why it's not coming into focus. All right, already. I got this cross member piece welded in here. Those are welded on. This isn't quite welded yet, and I'm making the other grommets.